Today we will read about our new topic, past adjustment or adjustment in closed accounts or single entry adjustment. So all the three names are for the same thing. In the question you might get it with a different name. So we also call it past adjustment, adjustment in closed accounts and single entry adjustment. Here it is very simple to understand. If there are two partners A and B, the profit sharing ratio between them is 3:2. Their capital contribution is rupees 6 lakh each, and according to their partnership deed, interest on capital at the rate of 9% per annum was not provided. Was to be provided, but they omitted it or they have missed it. They forgot to provide the interest on capital at the rate of 9% per annum. Now, as the topic reads adjustment in closed account, the accounts are closed. They have prepared PL appropriation, they have prepared partners capital, balance sheet, and the year is closed. The accounts for the year is closed. Now we need to adjust it. Now for this, what we need to do, if we go by the long process, we need to alter the profit and loss appropriation account, we need to alter the partners capital, we need to alter the balance sheet. So instead of doing things in such a long process, we can make an adjustment with the means of a single entry. We can provide a single journal entry to adjust this. Just what is the thing? A and B are partners having 3:2 profit sharing ratio. Their capitals are 6 lakh each, and interest on capital at the rate of 9% per annum was to be provided, but they have not provided it. They have forgot to provide it. So what we need to do here is just you need to leave space for one journal entry. We'll just make one single journal entry. For that you please leave a bit of space, and then you need to make working note 1, statement showing adjustment. You'll write statement showing adjustment. Here, since there are two partners, so we'll make column for two partners A and B. You'll make one column of firm and one for particulars. So all total you need to make 4 columns since there are two partners. If there were 3 partners, you would be making 5 columns. Particulars A, B, C and then firm. Now we have only A and B. So particulars A, B and firm. We have made 4 columns. Now interest on capital is to be provided at the rate of 9% per annum. So 9% of rupees 6 lakh is rupees 54,000 for A and 54,000 for B. So we'll write in particulars interest on capital at the rate of 9% per annum. 54,000 for A, credit, because if A is receiving interest on capital, it will be credited to his partner's capital account. In the partner's capital account, where do we write the interest on capital? On the credit side, it is a profit for the partners, it is an income for them. So please check it here. Where do we write interest on capital in partners capital? On the credit side. And where we write it in the PL appropriation account? On the debit side. PL appropriation account is for the firm and partners capital is the partners account. So what we understand from here is, what is the profit of the partners is written on the credit side, and what is the profit of the firm is written on the credit side of the firm. Profit of the partners will be credit for them and loss of the partners will be debit for them. So interest on capital at the rate of 9% is 54,000 credit for A and 54,000 credit for B. Altogether this is 1,08,000 for the firm debit. This is a loss for the firm. If we see from the point of view of the partnership firm, it is a loss because the firm needs to pay interest to the partners. So this is a loss for the firm. Loss of rupees 1,08,000 altogether. 54,000 of A and 54,000 of B. So 1,08,000 is the loss of the firm. So this loss will be shared by partners only. Who will share this loss? Who will suffer this loss? The partners themselves. So they need to pay the loss. And what is the profit and loss sharing ratio? 3:2. So they will suffer the loss 1,08,000 in the ratio of 3:2. Now when you divide rupees 1,08,000 in the ratio of 3:2, you get 64,800 and 43,200 for A and B. Here you will write share of loss, 64,800 for A, 43,200 for B. This will be debit because share of loss is debit. Partners are sharing loss, so loss is always debit for the partners and it will be credit for the firm. Always remember, what will be debit for the partners will be credit for the firm and vice versa. So since it is debit for the partners, it will be credit for the firm. Now just draw a line and balance it. 1,08,000 debit, 1,08,000 credit for the firm, so it goes nil. Let us check for B. 54,000 credit and 43,200 debit. Generally when we balance, we write what is less, but here we'll write what is more. Credit is more or debit is more? You can check. Credit is more. Credit is 54,000 and debit is only 43,200. So what is the difference? 10,800 is credit more. 10,800 credit is more, so we'll write 10,800 credit. In A, it is 54,000 credit, where it is 64,800 debit. The debit is more here. The difference is same, 10,800 debit. So after this you can close it. We have got our entry. A's capital will be debited with 10,800 and B's capital will be credited with 10,800. So that will be our entry. A's capital debit at 10,800 and B's capital credit 10,800. Narration, you can write a simple narration being adjustment made. You can write for reference working note 1 that what this figure has come from. This figure has come from the working note 1. So this is the total sum that you need to make in past adjustment. Very simple to understand, I hope. So this is all about past adjustment. I have shown you an example. You can check it here. This is very simple to understand. I hope you have understood it carefully. We'll see one more example but in the next video. So please watch this video carefully, and if you have any queries, please contact me on WhatsApp or on call. Thank you very much and bye.